Hello and good morning everyone. Hope you are happy and safe at your home and enjoying EVS. Now do you know kids, we are at the end of this chapter and this portion is question answer. But before completing this, I am telling you that don't forget to enjoy the rain because this season is rainy season and we should enjoy the rainfall. Okay, so let's start our this portion, and this is a short answer questions. This is short answer questions. So question number 1, name the different parts of the face. Name the different parts of our face. Now can you see, can you tell me without watching the pages? Okay, what is this? Eyes, then nose, and these two ears and mouth. So eyes, nose, ears and mouth. Again, eyes, nose, ears and mouth. These are our these parts are of our face. So name the different parts of the face. Eyes, nose, ears and mouth are parts of our face. Are parts of our face. Number 2. Which part of our body has fingers? Which part of our body has fingers? So which part is this? Hand. Our hands have fingers. Our hands have fingers. Which parts have? Our hands have finger. So what we will write? Our hands have finger on it. Number 3. Name the sense organ that help us to taste. Which sense organ help us to taste? Where is it found? Okay, and where is it found? Okay, so name the sense organ that help us to taste. Which sense organ help us to taste? Yes, our tongue help us to taste. Our tongue help us to taste. And where is it found? It is found inside our mouth. It is found inside our mouth. हमारे माउथ के inside our mouth. So name the sense organ that help us to taste. Our tongue help us to taste and it is found inside our mouth. Now next question number 4 is, how does our skin help us? Show me your skin. Yes, this is our skin and our skin help us to touch and feel. Our skin help us to touch and feel that it is smooth, it is rough. Okay, so how does our skin help us? Our skin help us to touch and feel. Our skin help us to touch and feel. Number 5. What is an adult? What is an adult? A grown-up is an adult. A grown-up is an adult. What is an adult? A grown-up is an adult. So these were our short question answer, right? Now number B, long answer questions. Our next portion is B, long answer questions. So these are also very easy. Okay, so we will write only 3 and we will discuss this 4 number. Okay, so number 1, write 3 things. We have to write 3 things. How many things? 3 things that you can do with your hands. That you can do with your hands. So which things you can do with your hands? We can clap. We can eat. We can write. We can paint. and so many other things, like we can wash clothes, we can wash utensils, and any another thing that we can do. Yes, we can hold things. We can hold things with our hands. So you have to write only 3 things. Okay, only 3 things that we can do with our hands. We can hold things, we can write, we can eat, we can do our homework, we can paint, right? These different things that we can do with our hands. So you have to write only 3 things that we can do with our hands. Now question number 2. Which part of our body, which part of our body help us to walk? Which part help us to walk? Show me. Yes, it is very easy. That our legs help us to walk from here to there and there to here. So which part of our body help us to walk? Our legs. Our legs help us to walk. Our legs help us to walk. And what are its parts? Okay, let's check. I am showing you what are its parts, means which are the parts of our legs. Now can you see this leg? What are its parts? इसके parts कौन कौन से हैं? Yes, what is this? This is our knee. K-N-E-E, knee. Next, this leg, this foot, and this toes. This foot and this toes. So knee, foot and toes. Knee, foot and toes. And these are the parts of our legs. Okay. So which are parts of it? Knee, foot and toes. Knee, foot and toes are parts of our legs. Question number 3. What are sense organs? Can you name? Can you name the name of sense organs? Yes. How many sense organs do we have? We have 5 sense organs. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. How many? 5. So can you name? Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are our sense organs. How do they help us? How do they help us? हमारी कैसे help करते हैं? They help us to know about the world around us. Right? They help us to know about the world around us. Like our eyes help us to see, our nose help us to smell, our ears help us to hear the sound, and our skin help us to touch and feel. And this way our sense organs help us to know about the world around us. And now we are only discussing the question number 4. We will write only these 3. Okay. Number 4. How does a child grow into an adult?
Start.
How does a child grow into an adult? How does a child grow into an adult? You can see here, a child grows up slowly up and become an adult. A baby boy grows into a man. A baby girl grows into a woman. So in this way, slowly a child grows up and become an adult. As a child grows, its body parts also become taller and bigger. So in this way a child grow and become an adult. I hope you enjoy the short and long question answers. So this portion is very easy. Okay, write down slowly. I will give you full time to write this short and long question answer. Hope you